thanks for checking out this latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. I'm John-Marc, and I'm excited to share all my years of experience with you. So thanks for checking out this video, and if you haven't subscribed to them, make sure you do, because I have over 400 videos and a ton of information that's on each and every one of them, and some fun tips and tricks and just being my silly personality. And I have some other interesting news to share with you. I'd like to see your artwork. Well, how are you going to do that? You email them over to me by visiting my website. That's jmg-studio.biz. And some of them possibly can actually be aired on this YouTube channel. And then you can share that with all your family and friends. I'm looking forward to seeing your artwork too. All right, if you're ready to begin to do a fun lesson today on this cute little snail. And by the way, did you know snails are super fast? They are. Give them some chili pepper. Boom, they're gone. And okay, that may not have been funny, but to me, I'm just trying to be silly. Anyway, so if you have a pencil and you have some paper, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. All right, so let's do some practicing sketching. So the first thing I like to do is just get my hand in the motion, and before I start that circle, as you see, I go very light and then I get a little heavier and heavier. Now I'm just doing like a shape of an oval, same thing. I kind of just sketch out really quick. It's not one line, it's one line over another. I go a little heavier and heavier. As you can see here, I'm using my typical mechanical pencil, but I may use a blue pencil first to light it in first, but as I can see, the videos are harder to see with the blue, so I chose to use a traditional lead-based pencil right now. But as you can see how I'm sketching here, it's just very loose and random shapes I'm just creating around there. So when you're looking at some of my cartoons or some of my illustrations, they all have basic shapes in there, and I can like put the crosshairs for the face on there, or for an object over in there, crosshair, the body, the shape here that's going to be a little bit heavier, or then right now if I'm going to make like a 3-dimensional box, same thing, or if a gift box. All right, so that's a great thing, the tool to use is constantly practicing your sketching. All right, let's begin today's lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. Well, what can I share with you with this lesson? It's just constantly practice your sketching. Take some time daily and just work on it. Now with this snail, you're going to see a lot more with this, because this is part of my Friendfish series, and my comic book is about to come any moment today at my door. I can't wait to get the physical copy. I'll be making a video on that and sharing that with you, and some more of my opportunities that I've been working on that maybe you guys would be interested in knowing. So I just want to share that information. As always and always, I just am so thankful that you're watching this video, and have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.